2016 Toyota RAV4 XLE. So this is using 134 refrigerant, 2016. Have my pressure transducers hooked up. I have my temperature thermistors hooked up to the refrigerant lines. We're taking the outside ambient temperature, going over the condenser here, and we have the refrigerant temperature gauge in the dash right there. So you can see from minute 1, and we're going into minute 5. This is the pressure, 33.9, 34.3. Less than 1 PSI difference. We're talking tenths, only tenths of a PSI is the only movement. Something that if you were looking at a needle on a gauge, you would see nothing. The high side pressure just moves a little bit. 103, 102, 106, 106, 106, 102, 109, 105 within like a 5-minute period of span. Almost nothing. You just see the needle move a little bit. And then the indoor temperature, 46, 45.7, 46.1, within 4 tenths. Nothing moves. It's rock steady. This is a variable displacement compressor, so it controls a really tight tolerance. And the only thing you see change out here is the temperature of air blowing by this. Like if I grab this like this, let's see what you see. Is that, no, yeah, no? Here, I'll blow on it. So that's me blowing on it. Right there. So temperature wise, absolutely nothing changes going up or down. There's no cycling of the clutch. Does this one have a clutch? It is variable displacement. This one does have a clutch, but it doesn't cycle the clutch because it changes the displacement inside the compressor. All right guys, that's it for now. Brand new condenser replacement. That's all this was.